Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a simple Semiya Payasam. For this, first we are going to roast the cashews and the raisins. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan. To this add around 10 cashews and 10 to 15 raisins. The cashews will change its color and the raisins will get puffed. This is ready, we can take it out. Set this aside. In the remaining ghee, we are going to add 1 cup of Semiya, that is vermicelli. Fry this well till it is slightly golden brown. This is ready. Now you can add 1 cup of water. Let the Semiya cook in water for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here the Semiya has absorbed all the water. At this stage you can add 1.5 cups of milk. This is already boiled milk. Next is the sugar. You can add around 1/4 cup of sugar, but you can always adjust the sugar according to your taste. Next is a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for the flavor. Stir this till the sugar gets completely dissolved, and we are going to cook this for about 5 minutes in a medium flame. And finally, the nuts and the raisins. Once the Semiya is cooked well, you can switch off the flame. Our payasam is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.